Hello students, in this video we will discuss some of the key mechanisms used in mobile IoT. Now here we will discuss about what are the different key mechanisms in this particular video, and also we will discuss about discovery of care of address. Now how it is done we will discuss. Okay, now let us see some basic mechanisms used in the mobile IoT. The basic mechanisms used in the mobile IoT are discovering of care of address, how the care of address is discovered. In the previous video we have discussed about packet delivery, how this is done, how the care of address is achieved and how it is done. Registering the care of addresses, how the care of address registration is done. And tunneling means sending the packets over the network, that is called as the tunneling, to the care of address. How this is done we will discuss. In the diagram you can see, and here three things are given here, that is the registration, discovery and tunneling. For tunneling it uses the internet protocol, and registration user datagram protocol, and for discovery it uses internet control message protocol. Now let us discuss about discovering the care of address. Each mobile node uses a discovery protocol to identify the respective home and foreign address. That means it is very important to discover the addresses, both home. It is also very important to discover home agent and foreign agents. Now to do that some steps are followed. I will go with this. Three steps are given here. Yes, first one we will discuss. That is, mobile agents advertise their presence by periodically broadcasting agent advertising message. See here. Now first we are discussing about a mobile agent. Mobile agent, what he is doing is he is broadcasting the agent advertisement message. It looks like we have heard about this, right? Agent advertisement message. Am I right or wrong? Okay, we'll check where we have done this. Okay, here. Okay. So we have discussed this topic, that is agent discovery. And when a mobile node wants to have a call or establish the connection, it uses two methods. One is agent advertisement and another one is agent socialization. So as we know, this topic we have discussed for discovery of mobile nodes or corresponding nodes. In that, the agent advertisement is done. That is what is mentioned here. Mobile agents, they advertise their presence and periodically broadcast the agent advertisement messages, what we have already seen in the previous slide. Then mobile nodes receiving the agent advertisement message. See here, mobile agents are broadcasting the advertising message and the mobile nodes are receiving the agent advertisement message and observes whether is message from home agent or not. Means mobile node will be always in check if it is in the foreign network, whether it is from the advertising message is sent from the home agent or not, and determines whether it is on the home network or foreign network. Means mobile node is getting the details whether sometime what happens when you move from your home agent to the foreign network. You will not be aware whether you are in the home network or foreign network. Similarly, mobile also will not be aware whether it is in the home network or foreign network. By receiving this agent advertisement messages, the mobile node will be aware that whether it is in the home network or it is in the foreign network. And if suppose assume that the mobile node does not wish to wait for the periodic advertisements. It doesn't want to wait for the periodic as advertisement. It can also use a second method. See, the first one is done by the mobile agent, and that is the agent advertisement message. Here you can see broadcasting agent advertisement message. That is done by the mobile agent. But assume that the mobile node is not interested in that. So what mobile node can do is it can send the socialization message to the mobile node. Oh, sorry, mobile agent. The mobile node can send the socialization message. The agent discovery, we have discussed about 2 points. One is advertisement message, which is done by mobile agent, and the socialization message, which is sent by the mobile node, and it is and we, that will uh, that will be responded by the mobile agent. So in two ways it is done. The first one is the agent advertisement message, which is sent by the mobile agent, and it is acknowledged by mobile node, maybe in the home network or maybe in the foreign network. And the second one is the periodic advertisement, which is also called as the socialization message, which is sent by the mobile node, and it is responded or acknowledged by mobile agent. This was about the discovery of the address, that is to identify the node position. The process of agent advertisement involves the following activities. How it is done. First, foreign agent sends a message to advertise the available care of address. So that what is that we have discussed already. Then home agent sends the advertisement to make themselves known. Foreign agent sends the advertisement for the availability of the care of address when the node, a mobile node, is in the foreign network. Home agent receives that and gives the acknowledgement that it is known. That means home agent will store that care of address in that. Then mobile host can issue the agent socialization. So here you see mobile host can issue the agent socialization to actively seek the information that it is existing, right? If the mobile host does not heard from the foreign agent to which which has a current care of address, or where the current care of address belongs, it can take up another care of address. This is how the discovery of addresses are done for mobile node or corresponding. And thank you for watching this video.